So yeah, I'm out here using my mountain topper Karahi. Haven't used it in a while. Small little battery here. My modern Morse QR zombie key. I got a little JBL external speaker. My ZM2 ATU. I got a pretty small kit today. I'll show you the bag in just a second. So as much as I love being overly prepared and having all kinds of extra stuff to take with me to the park, sometimes I just want a bag that I can just go and throw over my shoulder and hike in somewhere. And so recently I bought one of the new L&R Precision mountain toppers. So I've got that here, and when this came in the mail, I started thinking about making just a bag to carry that and maybe a small wire-fed antenna with a mast. So I started building a kit, and I found this bag on Amazon. It's just a camera bag. I'll put the link in the description. But I have managed to put everything that I need for an activation into this one bag, and I want to show you how much this bag will hold. It holds a ton. So I've already got one spare key and some cables in here. But let's see, in here, this is one of these waterproof cases from Walmart. I have my coax, and I have a Chameleon. It's an in-fed half wave, or you can set it up as a dipole. I have that in here. I also have this little portable JBL speaker that's rechargeable. I like this. I've got earbuds in here in case this dies, but I've got this for the mountain topper. I've also got my MTech ZM2 ATU. Really like this as far as tuning. Real convenient with the mountain topper. And then the mountain topper itself. I also have this bag that I keep all my spare stuff in. I love these little these carabiners that they're made by Night Eyes, but they've got a locking ratchet on there. I use a support that I 3D print, a guy, and I just attach some paracord and these adjustable clips to it when I spike it in the ground. I keep a couple of extra tent spikes, and Chameleon always sends these nice bags with their antennas, so I use that to keep my tent spikes and stuff in. Let me move some stuff around real quick. On the back side, I have this is my modern Morse. This is my QR zombie key that I just received not too long ago. I have this nice portable rechargeable battery that's perfect. It's a talent cell that I use for my mountain topper. Spare cables that I typically put in here with my spare key and earbuds. Now, I love this bag. This is soft back here. I think I had my mountain topper back here actually. So this zips. I made some little zipper pulls from paracord. The reason I love this bag so much though is not only does it hold all this stuff, right? It holds it really well. And I could probably, I'm moving kind of quick. I probably could move some stuff around. It's got a front pocket too. I like it because it's got these straps on the bottom that are perfect to run my mast in from the bottom and secure it. And if any, like it starts raining, it has a fly cover that pulls out that you can put over the whole thing to keep it from getting wet. Stuff it back in the back. But like I said, everything that I need for an activation inside this bag. It probably weighs. Now this is not something I mean, I wouldn't want to go on some super long hikes with this, but I probably got it down to 6 pounds. It could go lighter. I like to keep extra stuff everywhere. But yeah, I'll post links in the description to everything that's in this bag. I just finished my setup here. I had 26 contacts this afternoon in an hour, so not too bad. So give it a check out. Let me know what you think. Hit subscribe, hit like, and yeah, I'll see you around. Thanks a lot.